Hey, this is Sohini from Dabble app, and in this tutorial you learn how to use the APL for audio template. So this template can help you do a lot of audio mixing directly in your Alexa skill, and you can have several more components that we'll take a look at. And so let's get started. So to get started, you need to go to this GitHub repo, and you need to see that I have already mentioned a couple of steps for you to use this. And if you still need any help, you can let me know in the comments below. But how to get to use this? So we'll go to the code and we will just copy this, and then we move to our Alexa developer console and create a new skill. So I would name it APLA, yeah, this maybe, and set the language to English US. Then go down to this is, let's just keep all this as usual and go ahead and create skill. So this is gonna take some time, and then you go to import skill, and here you're gonna paste the URL to my repo. And once you import this is gonna take some time because it'll validate and bind all the resources. So we'll wait for the time, and till then I can tell you about the components that you have. So you have a mixer, you have a selector, you have a sequencer, and many more. So these are the components that are offered with your APL for audio, and you can use them very easily. So if you want to have a detailed explanation of how all of these works, you can go to my stream, and I have a link to my stream which contains a detailed explanation of this entire template and its use cases. Below on the description you can check that. So another few seconds and then this would be ready to go. There you go. So now we'll move to the coding section, and here you see everything's ready already. So what I'm gonna do is I would use two audios today, and I will demonstrate the mixer utility, mixer component today, while speaking about APL for audio, but there are more and you can always have a look at them. So once you just go to you have the multimodal responses in here. So now you can navigate to a audio response. So now you can just create an audio response in here, and you can have a demo of what are the things that are offered, the components that are offered. So now if you have a look at this, so this is a mixer, this is a sequencer. So it plays a series of audio clips, and the selector would just render a single audio clip at a time from the entire list of array, or just the array. So you have a lot, so you can manipulate the template as and any way you want, but I have just stated the mixer functionality in my skill. So this is the document that you can return to your Alexa skill, and you can have all of these working accordingly. So you can just have a preview of it.
Hello, this sample demonstrates how to mix audio, bind data, use conditional expressions, sequence speech components, and incorporate SSML tags into your audio response. Click the data icon on the left side of your screen and add your name to the dataset to see how it changes the first line of this response.
Yeah, so that you see the audio that was playing on the background was just kept inside of this mixer component. So that's why it kept on playing by the time Alexa read out all the SSML. And the data that she spoke about is there inside of this, so you can go and make changes, write in your name and other stuff, and create the document in such a way that it pulls out the exact data that you need. So the template just clearly gives a view of how this works out, and you can just make changes as per your wish. So now I'm going to go to the testing console, and before that I will upload the media files, the audio files inside of the media bucket. So for the background music, I have this one that is inside of, if you go to my assets folder, so these two voices are already formatted in such a way that it can be used in your Alexa skill. So now I'm gonna use Gabby, and I will use this one. So I will go in the media folder, and where is it? Where'd it go? I'll just open the media folder, and I will update background noise and this one. So this is gonna take some time, and then we can go and hit on upload and just create, add files, and go to desktop and just go to the, where it goes, not this, here it is. So I will just click on Gabby and this one. I don't think this is formatted. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and upload it. Okay, so now in terms of the background music, I will click on the name of this audio file, which is detour, and just paste it in here. And for this, I will just I think that's just Gabby. I just deploy it. I think it's just Gabby, is it? Yeah, it's just Gabby. So now I'm gonna go to the testing console and turn it to development and wait for this to finish deploying. So the deployment is successful, and now I can just click on APL demo.
This is a demo explaining APL for audio by Dabble Lab.
Hi, this is Gabby from Dabble Lab. Nice to meet you. I hope you like the background music.
Yeah, so that's it. So you heard the music that played in the background, and you heard what Gabby said. So this is what I wanted to explain today in this template. So this is how this template works. If you want to know more about this, you can watch the extended stream that I did a few months ago that is touched on the description below. And let me know what you think of this amazing template that could help our lives a lot easier. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you really like this tutorial, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.